Good morning. My name is Wei. I'm serving W3C AB. Here, I would like to update you one of the W3C AB 2024 priority program called Exploring New Horizons. You heard from Seth's kickoff message saying that W3C should try the best to catch the fast-growing technical pace, right? And you heard from David Singer, our chair of the board, and he's saying one of the risks of W3C is how to meet the future challenge. So as the member-elect group, the AB believes the solution is within our members, is within our broader web community. And this is really the objective of this program. And we are proposed to set up a scheme and try to engage a broader web community for incubation and for chartering. And we are happy to announce, and with the hard work of the AB and our great cooperation with the team, a new exploration group. The proposal is now out for your comments. As said, the Exploration New Horizon program is a well-coordinated AB effort with a clear target addressing W3C's capability to identify technology trends and embrace the new technology relative to web. And we want them to come into W3C incubation and making sure W3C and the web could support the upcoming technologies and even survive in the fast-growing industry development. As you heard from Chris, and you will hear from Ian, our W3C team did a very good job and to run a program called a Strategy Funnel for incubation and chartering. However, with W3C going to be a director-free and a member-driven organization, especially with the technologies going very faster, and a more active brand needed to be brought together for exploration. And it is no doubt that this work should be work closely with the team to achieve that goal. The Exploration New Horizon program is organized on GitHub repo, and we got a detailed discussion last year, and then we finalized the proposal delivered to W3C, and W3C announced the Exploration Group chartering proposal early this year. So feel free to check all the URLs for the detailed discussion, and we would very much like your attention and comments on the draft proposal. As an addition to the current incubation work, the goal of the exploration group is try to engage broader web communities for the exploration. And more importantly, it's through the exploration for further cooperation to shape the technology trend, accelerate the chartering to follow the quick technology development, strengthen the innovation of W3C for the benefit of web users and all the web community. So the program work started from use cases recognition and analysis, and we try to use this methodology to prove this idea is really rooted in the real perspective to solve the real solution, to solve the real problems and address the real challenges. In detail, it is proposed that this exploration group will take the role of engaging W3C members, the team, and broader web communities to propose, prioritize, and assist organizing more workshops and other events. Because we believe innovation will emerge with more talent gathering and gathering together frequently. And work with the web community to facilitate the CG creation and to coordinate the now loosely coupled CG operation and for the potential work group chartering. And moreover, leverage the SDO's liaison scheme. This scheme is now taken by W3C team, and we want to leverage this scheme to be more efficient, and we want to engage a broader W3C community technical expert who are both engaged in W3C deeply, and also with the other SDOs, for their regular feedback of their insights and investigations, because we believe innovation always happens elsewhere. We want this scheme can help us to substantially increasing our technical and industry insights. So finally, exploration measures itself also needs to be explored. And we would like the group also can take a role to be creative on the exploration measures. And you will find some ongoing debate in the GitHub repo, mostly regarding on the format of the exploration group, to be either CG or IG, and with a clear presentation of the pros and cons. And we really like your ideas before we get a final decision. As a conclusion, again, here with the AB and the team, we're happy to call for your comments on the exploration group as the AB 2024 priority program delivery. And thanks to the great work of the program participators and the W3C strategy team and led by PLH. You are welcome to check the CR URLs joining the online discussion, and be sure to take these great offline opportunities to join us in the Day 2 Improving W3C Workflow session, and with your questions and comments. Thank you.